Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, I'm doing my self-care routine, so stay tuned. So first, I like to go in with my cleanser, Noxzema. This is my holy grail. I have makeup on, so I like to put on a lot of cleanser to get rid of those excess oils and dirt on my face. I like to rub my face just so I can wake up all the blood cells and circulate my skin so there's no tightness or creases in my skin, and you want to make sure you're covering every spot. While I let that sit on my face, I like to go in and take a bath to relax my mind, play some music, and this bubble bath smells like strawberries. It's so bomb. I recommend it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's super good. I also add Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. If you know, you know. This is like the best sea salt ever. Like if your muscles are sore, that's gonna cure you. Next, I go in with my Cryo rubber mask, and this one is the collagen one. They have multiple of them in Sephora that serves different purposes, but I love collagen because who doesn't want to look young? So with this mask, it comes in a two-step process. You should always put the cream on your face first and then put the mask on and let it sit. You want to make sure that you're rubbing upwards just so you are bringing your skin up and you're not causing lines on your face. Always rub your skin up, no matter what it is. And of course, I'm playing music, so I'm be dancing, do my little dancey dance or whatever. And SZA, I love her album, so you're going to be seeing me sing Snooze a lot. So now I'm going in with my St. Ives Oatmeal and Shea Butter Body Wash, and this smells so good, guys. Like if you have eczema, this is like my go-to, and a little goes a long way. Look how it lathers up. Like it looks, it smells, it looks, it feels so good. I'm using my African sponge, and I'm gonna link this down below because I got it off Amazon. This is like an exfoliator. It's better than like an aloof. It's super good. So I'm going in and just washing my body. Now I just use a lot of it to go over my whole body. I scrub my back, and this is so good, especially if you can't reach your back or have a back scrubber. So this feels like everything. So now I'm going in with my face toner. As you know, I already washed off the mask, and I've always toned my skin just so it can be even and balanced and hydrated. Now I'm going in with my hyaluronic acid, and as you guys know, this is like my holy grail. This is what brings everything together. And of course, you want to make sure that you clean your ears every time you shower, especially if you use a lot of hair gel like me. You want to make sure that your skin is nice and clean and not looking crusty. So now I go moisturize my body. I'm using my Mario Badescu EOS lotion and my Dove deodorant. This is like my go-to. Vaseline, of course, for the skin. And I love to use a mist on my body just to have that extra oil sheen. And I didn't shave my underarms. This is for the next video. So yeah, then I go in with my Fenty. This is my holy grail. I love to smell good. I love to have shimmer. I don't care if it's nighttime. When you look good, you feel Last but not least, you want to spray your body with some mist just so you know you smell good, especially if you're with your man. And then you want to moisturize your face, give the extra glow. And that is the end of the routine, okay? So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do another self-care with more things in depth, especially shaving. I'm going to show you guys what I use. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.